So, it's been like 6 months since the last video. Sorry about that. I have been working on the truck. There's been a bunch of issues that we've been working on, and I want to show you guys everything that's happened to the truck since the last video. But in order to do that, we're gonna have to go back in time. Does it ever sound rattly?
I might have a tap.
A tap?
Yeah.
I did indeed have a tap. After multiple oil flushes, we realized it was more than just one bad lifter. We think there was at least two. So after going through the 5 stages of grief, mostly denial, I got new lifters, push rods, and all the other goodies that goes along with that. I went with LS7 lifters and OEM length push rods. I know there's a debate on what length push rods to go with, but it seems to be doing just fine. I managed to do the job in about 12 hours, 12 painful hours. I didn't really feel like filming, so I took some pictures, but not very many. I was trying to get the job done. After that traumatic experience, I started on the exhaust. I built my first ever X-pipe, and it was glorious. It was probably one of the best things I've ever welded or fabricated. It looked so good, and it turned out to be completely useless. It didn't fit my needs as well as I hoped it would, and it also didn't fit up under the frame in a way that cleared very well. So I started over, building what I knew I wanted from the very beginning, which was actually a center exit exhaust. So for that I needed a Blazer rear bumper. Because of the way it's shaped, the exhaust can exit out where the license plate would normally go. And I actually managed to find one that matched the patina of my truck. So I put the bed on the truck so I could line up the bumper, and that way the exhaust would come out exactly the right spot. And that was the hard part. It was very tedious to get it lined up exactly like I wanted it. And I got it close, and I almost just left it there and called it good enough, but I knew I wanted it to be right. And so I cut and welded and cut and welded until I got it exactly where I wanted it, and I'm very happy with how it looks, and it also sounds amazing. After this whole debacle, it was time to lower the truck. Why? Because I can.